Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kashlem trekam jong Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities jong Sarkar Jilla, menta Sngi ke South-Trek unok pra, kala penlong ya ke program ke Dkhot ke Empower Fest arajarat pulai, kabadeiru ke Sngi Burom ke Duna Dkhot met lani ke International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Ya ke ni ke program la penlong ho Susotham Auditorium, haga jingi treilang mak State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Shillong, paruba polling do ubadeiru Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare, ulalong kumukong san. Hagani ka program kala dan ka jingi di thi di kibam kidi kitiar kitar ka jingi rawaya shat bat kiwe di blashna kerpang bat belawan ra kerpang di kibaduna Dkhot met. Hagani ka Sngi ka Shlem Trekam jaka Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities kala pen ko Burom ru yo Director jang ka Sun Care Rehabilitation Center Dr. Sandi Sim daka Khusnam Champion of Mental Health Advocacy Award bat Karmo Naronha jang ka Bethany Society nakamata ka Khusnam Leader of Equality Award. Kiway pat kibalayo Khusnam ki kontobru ya ka kanhon football Meghalaya Blind Women's Football Team uru pari nongrum nakabenta ka sub kaphong ka St. Edmunds College kalayo ru ya ka Khusnam nakabenta ka Jingdon ya kitiar kitar bat kilat ki kabu ban penbiang nakabenta ki baduna Dkhot met.
When we have somebody who could write such moving music but was unable to see, still you wonder. You know that God does certainly have a purpose for each one of us, irrespective of whether we have challenges, physical challenges or otherwise. But I'm happy that a beginning has been made. And of course, there is a lot of ground to be covered, but the important thing is that we have made rapid strides ahead, and we will continue to do so with the active support, with the active involvement of each one of you.
With the real-time data about the PWDs across the state. This data not only provides comprehensive insights, but also will form the bedrock for informed decision-making at the government level. The megability's significance is magnified by its ability to bridge the information gap by capturing a diverse aspect of information related to persons with disabilities, encompassing their social, economic, and academic political dimensions, so as to gain a holistic understanding of their needs and challenges.